Bismillah, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ya, oke. Bismillah, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hah? Oke. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin wassalatu wassalamu ala nabiyina mursalin. Wa- Oke. So, hello. My name is Sama Hisyam. So, now uh, I have my friend for give some tutorial in Cisco. So, the my friend is from TKJ and his name is Haikal Firdaus. And now
Now,
I give time
I
to
think it's
Haikal
the
Firdaus.
freedom.
Ya,
Ya,
Assalamualaikum
Assalamualaikum
warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.
Bismillah.
Alhamdulillahirrahmanirrahim. Wa ala alihi wassalatu wassalamu ala mursalin wa ala alihi washabihi ajmain amma ba'd. So, my name is Muhammad Firdaus. I'm from 11 PKG, and today I will show you some tutorial about Cisco. So, let's start to the introduction first. Now, I want to introduce you about the uh, HSRP and another introduction about this uh, routing protocol. This FSRP is first hop residency protocol. It's a technique used on router device where we can create a virtual gateway to be used by the client. The implement FSRP, there must be two or more routers that will be used as a gateway router. A virtual IP address and virtual MAC address will be used on both routers. The virtual IP address will be the default gateway IP address for all devices within the organization's network. One router will be used as an active router or a gateway router, and the other router will be on standby. If the active router goes offline, the standby router will take its place as a gateway router for all So, for example, the client has two gateways, which, of course, the gateway of the two routers is different, has a different gateway, and the client only use one of them. However, with FS, FHRP, we make it if as if the two routers have the same IP gateway, so that the client can use the agreement IP gateway. Types of FHRP, which is the first is HSRP, host standby residency protocol. The service is Cisco proprietary, so this Cisco vendor that can use it. The second is PRRP, is a virtual router residency protocol. It's open vendor, so it means other vendors um, like before Cisco, Fortinet, or something like that can use the PRRP as a virtual router residency protocol. And the third is GLBT, as a gateway load balancing protocol. It has a Cisco proprietary same as HSRP. Different of these three types is HSRP has the same protocol as redundancy. And its works is like a failover. But the GLB, the HRP is only a Cisco proprietary. The PRIP is open vendor. And for GLBT, it's a load balancing. So GLBT, there is two routers as a gateway, but the client use both of them for um, decipher their packets, but here it is only a Cisco computer. Now we will explain one by one what is HRP types. The first is host stem by router protocol. It, HSRP is a network protocol used to create redundancy and reliability in the use of routers within a computer network. If the main router fails, the backup router automatically is it will take over the role of the main router in a manual intervention. Redundancy FSRP ensures that if the primary gateway router has a problem, the backup router will take over the disrupting the host on the network. There are two HSRP router states. The one is active router. The active router sends and receives packets to hosts in the organization. It is the default gateway router. One only one active router is selected among the router cluster. Second is standby router, a router that will take over the active role of if the active router has a problem. This change does not affect the host. And next to the virtual router redundancy protocol or VRRP. VRRP has the same concept as HSRP is an open standard protocol. Is an open standard protocol just like HSRP. We can create this same virtual IP on two or more routers to be used by clients. Virtual IP on two or more routers to be used by the client. There's two state of the hierarchy, which is master router is a router that forwards packets on the main gateway, and backup router is used for the backup router if the master router is down or having trouble. And the last is GLBT. GLBT is gateway load balancing. It's a Cisco redundancy protocol, but it is different from HSRP and PRRP. It has one main gateway and the other becomes a backup. For this GLBT used to load balance on-site, where both gateway routers will be used uh, simul- simultaneously. So for now, I will show how to configure correctly about this PRRP, for this HSRP in Cisco Packet Tracer. And we will need three of routers. Now I will present. What is- what is it? Oh, no, uh, so this is a the name is Cisco Packet Tracer that we will use um for run our simulator as the as the real condition. So the for the PRP we need three of filters to make simple topology, which has three users, one filters, and also one client and one server. In filters has it just has two of ports, and um in this topologies we use um we need three of ports, and for add we must add the one more ports with we double click in the router, so we want to add ports and turn off first, and we can select the NM1 FA and the X. As for the LAN application or the fast internet interface for use with the software media, ideal for a wide range of LAN applications. And now turn on again, close first, we connect the device each other. We connect the laptop to the switch, we connect to the router to the server, and router to the router, and router to the switch, and switch to the router. And I will make a note in here for the IP address. I just input the network 10.10.10.0 slash 24 slash 34 and 20.20.20.0 slash 34 and also 192.168.10.0 for and slash 24. So it means the same also slash 34. Yeah. Oh, sorry. This one and this will use the number two. 10.10 will use to the first router that connect to the second router, 30.30 to the server, and router 1 to the router 3 will use the 2020. And 192.168.10.1 will use the second router to connect to the switch and 1 to the switch. The switch will switch. And I will take note for the virtual virtual address first. Use 192.168.10.123 slash 24 is for the virtual IP address. And for the client, it use 30 for the open open 10.3 and that way 192 on 168.10.123. Okay. So for now, we are going to first routers. Show how to configure. Enable output terminal to change the name as a host name router one. Interface the input to interface FA050 to confirm and put the IP address to interface FA050. No shutdown IP address. 0.0.0.1 255 0 is a slash 34. Interface FA 0 slash 1 for to the So that connect to the router 2 knows the town IP address 10.10.10.1 only 25.0 plus 0.4 enterprise FA1 plus row load down connect to the third router IP address 20.20.20.1 and plus 24. Okay, that's for the second router. We change the hostname first. So, another conflict hostname or change the name router 2 and we turn on the interface to the router 1 and input the IP address 10.10.10.2 as printed for. And then also to switch a 0 plus 1 no spectrum input the IP address 192.168.10.1 and slash 24 of course. Next to the third router, we config same input the IP address and turn on the interface. Demo config clear, change the hostname, put on 3 interface 8060, no spectrum IP address 20.20.20.2 slash 24 and also the switch is business one no spectrum IP address 192.168 and 10.2 slash 24. Okay, I will close first. Universal one we now is config the what's the routing HSRP protocol or connect the entire network so the client can communicate to the other networks. The config command is first, that's the first from the interface and find the router HSRP and input the network with the wildcard is for the router one we input the all the network that it has it has. So we input 10.10.10.0 24 and the network 20.20.20.0 the network and slash 24 also network 20.20.0 and plus 24. And also we config same in the router 2 and 3 router HLP and network input the network that we have that the router 2 has. Network is so 10.10.10.0 so 24 and network 192.168.10.0 plus 24 and also the router 2 with router HLP and input the network that router 3 has. So is 20.20.20.0 plus 24 network 20.20.20.0 plus 24 and for making sure that the network already joined already can communicate there is a notification is agency to the network network 20.20.1 is as in the router one we check for the for no how the summary for the complete summary all routers. No, okay. And we check the table root in router one. In blue, show take your root. Um, yes. If the dynamic one, so the network in router one already can communicate to the 192.168.10.0 network. So let me sure we can try from sorry, regulator. Now we we can take for the virtual IP address is the HSRP for the residency protocol. So the client has a two different gateways. So we make the virtual IP address or virtual gateway for the client. So the two of routers will select who will the who will be the active router for his gateway. So the client can use the second or the third router based on the route that select as a standby or the active one. So it's in the second router first, we exit from the router HRP and going to the A0 that connect the router to the switch on the client and we type the standby I1 IP. We type the virtual IP and 100.23 and also standby one friend. And same for the router 3. So active, it's a SFA0/1 standby 1 IP 192.168.10.123 and standby 1 friend. friend. This command standby 1 IP is command for input to virtual IP address for the virtual gateway. And standby 1 prime is the command for choosing who will be the standby or the active one. If already get the notification as a RP state change of element 0/1 group 1 state from the stick to the standby. So the third router is choose for the standby, then the second is choose for the active one. If we want to see will be this active one or the standby, we can use the command do show standby with here the indicate show that the router 2 became the active one and the standby is the router 3. We show do show standby with the router will be the standby and the active is the second router. The virtual IP, this virtual IP we will use as a gateway for the client. So now we're going to show input the IP address of the client 192.168.10.3. Subnet is /24 and gateway we use the virtual IP address of the port of router 192.168.10.123 and also input the IP address on the server is going to laptop hypercontroller controllers. 20.22.2.2. The subnet is /24 and the gateway is 30.20.1. 30.20.1. And before we check the second router 2 is the active one and the router 3 is standby. We can see with this when the trigger for send package mail package from the client to the destination. Our destination is the server and this is the client. The server. Packet will choose the active way, which is the router 2 as the active way. So the packet to send to the server to the destination using the active way, which is a second router. And the use is the first way or the active routers. The active way is get a problem or get down in the interface. So the standby rule for delivering the packet. Now I will show if the active one is in the if the router 2 the active way is down off interface at 0 plus 1 to connect to the switch. This one we should now and we fast forward for C. It must be the start. This one is unknown because it's right so the interface. And this one the router 3 will be the active wait blue. So starting by the router 3 will be active and the standby is still unknown because interface is long. And for you send the packet mail again from the client to the server. So the packet sorry, wait a bit. So for I will say ping 30.30.30. So first will be time out. Okay, time out. So it is mistakes of the configuration. We check it first. Ooh, so IP is with the IP is same is correct and for do show one seed configuration first. There is mistakes or not. Yes, there's a mistake. Why in the router HSRP? It must be just the network in the router tree that it has, which is 20.20.0 and 192.168.10. And I input In the router, HIP is the network of the router one is 3.2.0, and we can change with common router HIP with 10 and low network 3.2.0, and the subnet 30/34, and add more networks 192.168.10.0, and the subnet is 24/24. And do show one again for checking that it already came. Maybe I will one first two. So one, mm, okay. Fast forward. Okay. Two. So I sorry. Three. One. Three is active, and to check the way, this must be the client. Packet mail from client going to the server will use the active one is flow in the results successful. You can see, sorry, not the green one. I will delete for the orange is the package that from the client going to the server. Why? Because the router tree is already going, it's already be the active router because the router two the first the first state is active, but the way I turn off and by router will take over the role of the active router, and you can see the router tree is going to be active router or the active way for the packet. And I will switch on to them. So it should come fast forward and we check. Hey, sorry, check on feature two goes by with over. And the second second router uh, it will be the standby because uh because last is way in the router 2 is down, and we turn on again. The 3 is the active one. That then that's full going through. It must be going through to the router 3 because the router 3 is the active one, but the router 2 is the standby. Oh, sorry. Yes, this one is wrong because the active one is the router 3 and the router 2 is the standby one. Yeah. Um. So that is all of the HSRP uses. It's a failover that will change the role. The standby router will change. Will take over the role of the active router. So this protocol will can use in some cases with is if you have a two ESP. Maybe maybe enough for me. Maybe enough for me.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, from
Apa? MC.
okay. Thank you for Firdaus already give knowledge about IT, Cisco. So I think enough. I'm Usamah Hisyam from 11 grade TKJ. I would like to close this live. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.